Okay, let's get right into it. What if today's chaotic headlines aren't random at all?
You see things like new tariffs popping up.
Or aggressive moves involving Iran? It all feels pretty disconnected, right?
And of course, there's the huge global race for AI dominance. But what if it's not noise? What if there's a clear signal connecting it all?
The analysis here argues there's one single goal that ties every single move together.
It all comes down to a new definition of national security. Let's break it down.
Okay, pillar number 1, tariffs. But not in the way you might think.
So instead of just managing trade, it's about rebuilding the industrial base for security.
The idea is that free trade isn't always good. It can have serious security consequences.
All right, pillar 2, and this is a big one, artificial intelligence. Losing the AI race here is seen as a genuine existential threat, on par with the nuclear threat.
And here's a crucial point. AI isn't just code. It depends on real physical stuff.
And that dependency brings us to pillar 3, the global resource chessboard.
This frames recent events in the Middle East as deliberate groundwork, not random conflict.
The prize? Control over the Strait of Hormuz, a key oil choke point for China.
So how does all this tie into a single financial endgame? This is where it gets wild.
The ultimate goal, to be able to print money without causing runaway inflation. And to pull that off, two very specific things have to happen on a global scale.
And that brings us to the final piece of the puzzle, dollar-pegged stablecoins.
If AI platforms drive stablecoin use, the dollar's global dominance becomes almost total.
Essentially, engineering a new kind of financial power for the digital age.
So these aren't just random moves. They're seen as part of a coherent, grand strategy.
Which leaves us with one big question. What happens when geopolitics and finance truly become one?